Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. The name of the machine seen in the video is a blower fan. This type of fan feed mill, rice mill, flour mill and areas where more vacuum are needed to use to fan. This motor was not used for a long time. It is necessary to use it. So open the terminal box of the motor and I check the coil okay or not. So let's go open it. This motor power 30 kilowatt. The terminal box has been opened. The connection of the motor is completely waste. The most rats are destroying it. Now the motor has to be separated from the machine and prepare for coil rewinding or only change the connection loop. The motor will first open this pulley to separate from the machine. It does not require any puller to open this pulley. It has a specific nut that opens and this pulley separate by separate. Now separate by separate this pulley and easy to open the motor.